Parkside is a sustainable, adaptable home designed for aging in place in North Fitzroy, Melbourne. Located on a 50-meter deep block, it blends modern efficiency with heritage sensitivity. The two-story design features operable timber and glass panels for light, privacy, and ventilation control, a central courtyard, and a bright yellow spiral staircase leading to a guest bedroom and art studio. Emphasizing simplicity and environmental impact, Parkside offers a compact, efficient living space while maintaining a strong connection to the community and surrounding park. The interior of Parkside is thoughtfully designed to enhance functionality and comfort while prioritizing sustainability and adaptability. The open-plan living space on the ground floor is bathed in natural light, thanks to the central courtyard and carefully positioned skylights. The design encourages a seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas, promoting easy interaction and a sense of openness despite the compact footprint. The floor plan of Parkside is designed to maximize space efficiency, light, and flexibility while maintaining a strong connection to the surrounding environment. The two-story layout is carefully crafted to accommodate the owner's needs as they age in place, with a focus on single-level living and adaptable spaces. The facade is divided into a series of full-height modules that alternate between fixed timber panels, fixed glass panels, and operable panels, creating a rhythmic and textured appearance. The timber panels are a natural material that adds warmth and texture to the facade, complementing the more contemporary glass elements. The operable panels, designed for both function and visual interest, can be adjusted remotely to control sunlight and privacy. This allows the owners to adapt the facade to different times of day or seasons, ensuring optimal light and temperature control. The ground floor features a spacious open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area. Large windows and the central courtyard invite abundant natural light and ventilation, creating a seamless connection to the outdoors. The flexible design allows for easy reconfiguration of the space as needed. The living room is equipped with movable partitions, allowing the space to be reconfigured as needed. The kitchen, with its clean lines and modern appliances, is designed for efficiency while maintaining a strong connection to the rest of the home through its open layout. The kitchen is positioned for convenience and efficiency, with modern appliances, ample storage, and a layout that encourages interaction with the rest of the home. A focal point of the ground floor, the courtyard brings greenery and fresh air directly into the interior spaces, promoting a strong connection to nature and providing passive cooling and ventilation. The first floor, accessed via the sculptural yellow spiral staircase, features a guest bedroom, a bathroom, and an art studio, all designed with flexibility in mind. Large windows in these spaces provide views of the surrounding park, bringing the outdoors inside and enhancing the home's sense of openness. Operable window panels and adjustable blinds allow for full control over sunlight and privacy, ensuring comfort year-round. Parkside is a modern, sustainable home designed for aging in place, blending innovative architecture with environmental responsibility. Its flexible, efficient layout maximizes natural light and ventilation through operable panels, a central courtyard, and strategic skylights. The facade combines warm timber, glass, and adjustable panels, offering control over light and privacy while respecting the heritage of the surrounding area. With a focus on simplicity, functionality, and a strong connection to nature, Parkside provides a model for compact, adaptable living, offering retirees and empty nesters a future-proof solution that enhances both their quality of life and environmental impact.